Getting your perfect smile starts with one small step: your impression. Our at-home impression kit is quick, easy, and designed to fit your schedule, and should only take about 10 to 15 minutes of your time. Just mold, mail it back, and we'll take care of the rest. Accuracy matters, so be sure to follow each step exactly as shown. Before you begin, we recommend watching the impression instruction video carefully at least twice, and also reading the printed brochure included with your kit. If you're unsure at any point, pause the video and replay it. There's no pressure. If you're ready, let's begin. Step 1. Brush your teeth and rinse thoroughly. Before starting, make sure your teeth are completely clean. Food particles or residue can affect the accuracy of your impression, so brush well and rinse thoroughly. Step 2. Choose the correct tray size. Try each tray, medium and large, to see which fits best over your teeth. The correct tray should comfortably cover your teeth and gums without pressing into them. Step 3. Mix materials from container 1 and 2. Once the correct size tray is chosen, quickly mix the materials from containers 1 and 2 by kneading and folding for 40 seconds until it becomes one solid color with no marbling. Step 4. Insert putty into tray. Roll the putty between your palms, making a small roll, and then fill your selected tray with the putty, spreading it evenly throughout the entire tray. Don't wait too long. Your putty starts to set quickly once mixed. Step 5. Dry your mouth. Try to make your mouth as dry as possible by swallowing all of your saliva. You'll also want to keep a small mirror next to you during the process. It makes placing the tray easier. No mirror? Just use your bathroom mirror. Step 6. Place tray into mouth. This next part is very important for a perfect impression, so let's focus on how to hold the tray correctly.
First, you will hold the tray from both sides between your fingers,
just like this. Now, place your fingertips just inside the tray. You can see how the fingertips are slightly past the edge of the tray. This isn't just a way to hold it, it's a technique. These fingertips will act as a guide and a separator. As you insert the tray, they will help
push your teeth toward the middle of the tray.
By doing this, you prevent your teeth from dragging along the inner walls of the tray. Keep your fingertips positioned like this and carefully insert the tray in your mouth. Step 7. Insertion and pushing. Now, aim your teeth to the middle of the tray and always make sure that your fingertips are touching your teeth and gums while pushing up. Use your thumbs to push the tray so hard all the way up until you cannot push up anymore. Remember, your fingertips need to stay inside the tray the whole time you are pushing up. Also, you should be able to feel your fingertip sliding against your teeth and gums. Sometimes your lip gets caught in the tray. It's important to flip it outside the tray.
This method is massaging your lip.
Now, it's very important that you hold the tray very firmly in place while performing this method. Please use your thumbs to firmly push the tray up to keep it perfectly stable. Now, while firmly holding, roll your lip outside the tray. Push any extra putty that got squeezed out back inside the tray. Remember, still firmly holding, you will start to massage your lip to fill any voids in the putty. Use your fingertips and push the putty back in the tray alongside the edge. Start from inside your nose and push down, then move to the sides. Practice these previous steps a few times before mixing any putty to get a good feel of the whole process. Step 8. Hold your impression for 4 minutes. Now, it's time to let the putty harden. It takes about 4 minutes. So, you should not push hard anymore, but hold the tray firmly in place for 4 full minutes. This is a very important step. Use your phone or a timer to keep track. For maximum accuracy, do your best not to move the tray, swallow, or talk while your impression hardens. Try to be perfectly still. Any small movements could lower the quality of the impression.
Just relax and let the putty do the work.
When the putty hardens after 4 minutes, pull the tray down firmly from the handle to remove the impression from your mouth. Reminder:
please be careful not to remove the putty from the tray. Doing so will ruin your impression.
Make sure the putty stays attached to the tray. If you only purchased a top set, feel free to skip to step 10. Step 9. Repeat steps for bottom teeth. If you purchased a bottom set, you can follow the same instructions. But please note that this is the correct way to hold the lower tray. Also, you will use your fingers to push the tray down and use your thumbs inside the tray to push your teeth away from the tray walls. Finally, don't forget to massage as shown in the video. Step 10. Fill out the return card completely, then place it in the box along with your finished impressions. Seal everything inside the provided prepaid shipping bag and send it back to us. Sometimes impressions don't come out quite right on the first try, and that's okay. If that happens, you can contact us to purchase an extra kit. And if you're still having trouble, we're happy to jump on a quick video call to guide you through it. In most of the cases, it is very important to have photos of the customer's mouth and teeth to make the most suitable and matching veneers.
Please take a few minutes and email us these photos.
We need photos for your teeth from the front, sides, top, and bottom. You can use a digital camera or your cell phone. Shiny Smile uses the latest 3D technology to aid in the designing and manufacturing of your veneers. Please allow a few weeks for manufacturing and shipping.